part. There are two versions of the Axon, Assemble one and Unassemble one. If your Axon is the Assemble one, you do not need to download the action groups into the controller because we downloaded already before shipping. But if your version is the unassembled one, you may need to download the action groups into the controller in advance. Let's start to have a try. Firstly, insert the wireless controller receiver into the controller board. Next step is put the 3A batteries into the slot. Only need 2 pieces. Pay attention to the position, positive and negative poles. Then turn on the wireless controller. The LED lights are flashing because they are still connecting. Now connected successfully. If here only the red light or the green light is on, you may need to press the mode key. The wireless handle controller has 2 modes. One is action group mode and another one is single servo mode. The action group mode is the default mode. Let's come to have a look. 12 buttons in total. They are corresponding to 12 different action groups. For example, click the Start button to run the number 0 initial action, the left button to run the number 1 action group, and this button to run the number 2 action. If you want to check the detailed data of the corresponding action group to each button, please come to the provided document. Let's come to another mode, the single servo mode. In the single servo mode, we can use these 12 buttons to run the rotation of the 6 servos. Mode switching method is that press the select button and the start button. Then you hear ring a bell. Press the L2 and the R2 button to run the number 1 servo, to close and open the gripper. Button to run the servo 2, to ask the robotic arm to turn left and turn right. This button for the servo 4. The detailed data of each button also can be found in the provided document. Let's back to the action group mode. Same method, press the select button and the start button. One more thing need to share with you. There is a sleep mode of the wireless handle controller. If the axon is not connected within 30 seconds after turning on, or if no operation is performed on the handle within 5 minutes after connection, the handle will enter a sleep mode. But no worry, just press the start key to restart the